Well, if it is not you, beautiful trader, well, welcome. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 오하요 고자이마스. GM traders, how are you? Hope you are doing well on this last day of the trading week. Supposedly, should I say the first week of the May? First week of May. Yeah, hope you're doing well. So let's get into this analysis. I'll speed this up. So going into the analysis, we see a beautiful rejection from this area over here, a beautiful connection, a beautiful rejection, I mean, from this area over here. Yes, a beautiful rejection from this OB over here. Since this OB has been come in, I should change it to blue. And yeah, I missed this. I missed to see this yesterday. I've just seen it from today. A very controller that was established from this OB as the price was moving from below to the upside. Yeah, and yeah, you have to love this, eh? You have to love this. Let's just take a second to look at that. That's why I was saying I was bullish on EU because of the fair value gap and the OB of this level. Yeah, and yesterday because of the news, the unemployment rate, we bounced off this OB of the demand zone in a swift move. So today, on the marking the previous day buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity, what are we seeing? We're seeing that the price took a little bit of the sales of the buy side liquidity of the previous day. Does that mean that we pushed to the downside? It is yet to be seen. So switching over to the 4-hour. Switching over to the 4-hour, we are bullish. Yeah. Switching over to the 4-hour. Why am I saying that? Because price broke to the upside and broke this supply over here. Meaning what? We see something like. We may see something like that. Yeah. Okay. Also, what else do I notice? From this supply over here, we established a 3 control, but it is invalid. It is an invalid buy. Why? Because of this zone over here. Also, we are seeing this from this area. We are creating a 1, 2, 3, 4 double tops, and is it time for us to break? So for me to take this buy, I will need for a candle to close above. Really? Yeah. I need for a candle to close above this level, and then boom, we continue with our push to the upside, since it is even coinciding with our strategy. When our green setup is established, what do we need from the market? We need, I've explained this more than time ago, we need the market to go below, grab liquidity, and then push to the upside. I have discussed this. If you are looking at the breakdown from Monday, I was saying we need this price to go down and then push to the upside. So enough of that. For you've said Let's go to the 1 hour. So on the 4 hour also, and let me talk a little bit more. You see the establishment of this will be over here. So the price is towards the bull, towards the buy side. Yeah, price is towards the buy side. So switching over to the 1 hour. Switching over to the 1 hour, what are we seeing on the 1 hour? We're seeing that we're trading inside the demand zone, and there's a supply that has been created at this level over here. So what do I mean? This is the demand zone that we are trading inside. So for me to take the sales, I will need the break. I need the break of this demand zone, and boom, I see something like that. For me to take a buy, what do I need to see? I need the break of this supply over here. Boom, boom, boom. For me to continue to push to the upside. On the 1 hour, what do we see else? What else do we see? We see that on the Asian session, when the market opened, we had this sell-off, and in the past 3 hours, in the past from 1, 2, 3, in the past 3 hours, what have we been doing? We've been doing some sort of a range, a consolidation. It's not much, but maybe it is a beginning of a consolidation. We know that from the power of 3. What do we see? We see the accumulation, manipulation, and then the distribution. We observed that yesterday. I did not mention that. I failed to mention that, but it is obvious. It is what it is in the textbook. I mean, yeah. So what else am I willing to look at? The break of this level over here, we may come at this advance at this AL orange entry, and price does something like that, and then pop to the downside. That is yet to be seen, but as I've explained, the break of this looking for sales, the break of this to the upside looking for buys on the 1 hour. So on the 30 minutes, what am I looking at? 30 minutes. And 30 minutes is very, 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 very beautiful. What do I mean by very, very beautiful? We see that there was establishment of this demand zone here at the close of the New York session yesterday, but during the Asian session we failed to hold the price, and eventually we broke down to 30 minutes. Also on the 30 minutes, what else are we seeing? We are seeing an AL over here. What does this mean? It means that price may come at this level and push to the upside. So price may come up to this level and push to the upside. Yeah, that is what I'm seeing on the 30 minutes. Also, what else is on the 30 minutes? On the 30 minutes, we are seeing that the break of this, I'm willing to continue there. We might set up to the buy. Also, what else is on the 30 minutes? On the 30 minutes, we're seeing the Monday's New York high, and it will be the second tap. If we come to this place, it will be the second tap. And with that mention of that, what is our weekly candle look like? Our weekly candle looks as a doji. No, not a doji, but a hammer. Should we have a look? Yes, we should have a look. Is it a hammer? Yeah, almost a hammer. Yeah, almost a hammer, almost a doji. Yeah, we see it is bullish for the moment. Let's go to our 30 minutes. So I have explained the 30 minutes where the price may likely want to do, and I'll be waiting for that. Yeah. Yes. Going over to the 15 minutes. Going over to the 15 minutes. What are we seeing? Going over to the 15 minutes, we are seeing price is reacting at this orange advanced level buy entry, AL. AL means advanced level. Keep it short, AL. The reason that I call it AL is because there's a lot of reasons, but it is based on my strategy. Yeah. And price it looks as if it's reacting at that level. Enough of that. But for me to take a sell, what do I need to see? On the 15 minutes, I need the break of this. Boom, boom. Yeah, that is what price action depicts from the zones or the order blocks that have been formed for me to take a sell. What do I need for me to take a buy? For me to take a buy, I will need a daily control to be established from this level over here that is based on my strategy, and then the break of this supply over here that was created earlier in the Asian session, and then boom, continue to the upside. That's what I'll be looking for. Now, going to the 5 minutes. Yes, going to the 5 minutes. This is the 5 minutes, and the 5 minutes looks like that. Yeah, before I forget, is this OB that I need to draw use, and I love this level to be at that particular point. And as you can see, this OB or the demand zone has not yet been broken by price. And during the sell-off of the Asian session, price came and was held at this particular level. So we wait. Even if I take a buy from this level, I see that is only 5 pips. Does not make any sense. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go to our analysis. Let's go to this. Let's push to this analysis over here. This is our this is our 5 minutes. Let's look at this. From this area, what I would love to see is during the London session or the 9 a.m. open Nairobi time, I'd love to see the sell side liquidity to be taken out and price does something like that. I love for that to happen. And as you can see up top here, it is really coinciding with our levels. Switching over to the 30 minutes. We see on the 30 minutes is kissing the advanced level, the buy advanced level, the retest, the buy, advanced level on the 30 minutes, and it's making a lot of sense. So I'll be willing to wait for that. Textbook buy. Switching over to the 1 hour. Switching over to the 1 hour, it's not really considering with anything, but it makes sense. I would love to see the pullback to this level here for me to continue the buys during the London session. Okay, that's what's up, and hope to see you on Monday. Also, I will see you today on my second channel, where I upload the breakdown of the trades that I've taken within the day. And the channel is this one, Kaeibo Journals. See you there today, and I believe you have a beautiful day. And remembering, do not break your own rules. For goodness sake, it is your own rules. Nobody came and set those rules for you. So remember, don't break your own rules. So to add on the analysis, at this level over here, I will be not doing anything. I will be not taking any trade. Even though the trades move to the upside, the heavens, or to the depths of the hell, I will not be taking any trade. So that's what's up, and see you today in the evening. Bless.